Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing part 2 of my hair review. If you look back on my first hair review, I was talking about a straight wig that I got from, I believe it's called Melissa. I still don't know the name of the company that well. But yes, so I was talking about my straight wig that I purchased from them, and I did mention that I did buy some curly hair, and this is the curly hair. I am going to show you today how it looked when it came out the packet and how I sewed it on a wig cap and what I used to apply it on my head. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get into it. First things first, this is 3 bundles and a frontal. So it is a full frontal. I just decided to do a side part, and hopefully later on I style it and I get to show you guys. But yeah, this is a full frontal and it is 3 bundles in the back, 24, 22, 20 inch, and then the closure is 18 inches. I did use products like mousse to get my hair like this, and I also used this curling gel. Hopefully you guys can see it. And of course, I use a spray bottle. I use a spray bottle when I was applying this gel. So I sprayed it, then I applied the gel. I did purchase this gel from Target. It is a Jelly Soft Curls. That's the name of it. It's by Miss Jessie's. So you guys, the tips that I have for creating a wig is you definitely need a wig cap, needle and thread, scissors, and of course a wig head and a wig stand. So in this video, I pretty much show you guys how I start sewing, like how I started off. A lot of people don't know the technique of starting a thread and ending it. And that's why a lot of people track me falling out, and I'm trying to help you guys. Okay, I got you, girl, I got you. You want to take the needle and put it in between the thread and pull it for it could be tight, and then start sewing. And when you are finishing how can I say it? When the thread is coming to an end and you want to go ahead and finish it off so you can start a new thread, you want to take the needle, put it into the wig cap and into the track, not all the way out. You want to let it stick out a little bit. Take the thread and spin it around the needle. Like I do it like about 4 to 5 times, and then I pull, and it creates a knot, and we're able to cut it, and then go ahead and start a new thread. So that's my techniques and when I'm creating my wigs. What I do first is I sew the lace part first onto the wig head, and that's why how can I explain it? It's so hard to explain these things because I just go ahead and just start doing hair. So pretty much what I do is I sew the lace part first, and then I go ahead and start sewing the bundles. Now, in this video, I am sewing it from left to right or right to left, however I'm doing it. I actually did a mistake. What you want to do is you want to always start from the middle of your lace, even if it's a frontal or a closure. You want to start in the middle of your lace and then sew to the right, and then when you're done, go back to the middle of your lace and then sew to the left. And you're doing that because it lays flatter. Now when you go left to right, it creates like a weird hump, and that was my problem. I don't know why I did that mistake, and I've been doing wigs for so long, but that was my problem. I went ahead and did it left to right, I believe, and then I had literally, you guys, I had to take everything apart and redo the wig on a different wig cap. So don't be like me, because it did take a lot of time. Just like, oh, I really don't want to do it, but I had to. You know, I just couldn't let this beautiful hair go to waste. Those are my tips in creating a wig. Hopefully you find it useful, and yeah. I really don't know what else to say, you guys, but I hope I help you guys out. I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.